Yo, what's the word, man? If y'all like this video, man, leave a like and comment, and also drop a sub, man. I really appreciate that. Yo, what's the word, guys? In this video today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to opti your like CPU processes. So mine's is at 86 while recording, and I got Discord open as well. But when I start up my PC, I'm usually in between 61, 62, and I might go up to like 70, and then whenever I starting up apps, it goes up, of course. But I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get it under 100 and stay under 100. My stuff doesn't go over 100 unless I'm playing 5M, which is GTA. Fortnite, it stays under 100. But I'm gonna be showing you how you could get your processor like this as well. First thing you want to go to is startup apps. You want to disable everything in here. You don't need none of it. If you do need something, you could leave it on enabled, but I'm telling you, you don't need nothing in it. Go to your search bar and look up services. Go to services. I'm gonna scroll through. You could pause the video. I got everything disabled that is safe to disable, pretty much. Some stuff I would read over it. You could read on the side, and if you don't use none of that stuff, then disable it. I have everything disabled that I know that's safe to disable and ain't gonna mess up my computer or mess up anything. And I don't use Bluetooth. I don't use most of the stuff that I got disabled. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through. If you need to, pause the video. Okay, and also you want to disable sys main. It's either going to be sys main or super fetch, one of them. Whatever one it is, disable it. You don't need it. It's totally safe to disable. You just right click it, properties, disable, stop. Okay, that's all you gotta do. I'm gonna continue scrolling through them, and as you know, you can see disabled right here. So if you don't use Xbox, you can disable it or whatever. Anything that you don't use, disable. It's, pointless. I'm gonna show you something else. Alright, you want to press Windows R and then type in msconfig and then press OK. See, you can have this on whatever you want. I mean, I recommend selective startup. With these two checked, just them two. And you want to go over to the advanced number of processes, check that and put it to 16. And just keep it on that, and then go over to services, hide all Microsoft services, and uncheck any Intel, Google, or Microsoft services in here. Rockstar, Realtek, Bluetooth, Steam client, Gigabyte update service. Like, this stuff is pointless. I don't need it. If I want to start that stuff up myself, I can. You could just disable it. You don't need none of it. Press apply, okay. Then head over to device manager, and mine's look like this, but it's totally fine. If you got a SM bus controller, disable it. It's totally fine to disable. Now I'm gonna show you. Alright, so look, I'm gonna close these, but you're gonna want to look for system devices. Alright, the first one you want to disable is components bus illuminator. I don't know how to say that word exactly. I think I said it right, but I'm not sure. And then high precision event timer. Disable that. Microsoft virtual drive. You want to disable that. NDIS virtual network adapter. You can disable that too. You don't need it. And remote desktop device, you could disable that as well. And then in here you just want to right click these. Power management, make sure to turn this off for both of these. At least for any universal, any of these, go through them all. Alright, you want to find mice. You want to right click this. You want to go to power management, make sure this is unchecked for all your mouses and then all your keyboards as well. Alright, so this is more for your GPU. You don't gotta do this step, but it's called MSI Utility V3. You can, if it's in my Discord, I have the Discord in the link. If you don't want to download it from my Discord, then you can literally look up MSI Utility V3 on Google and just download it. But once you have it, you want to extract it. Once it's extracted, go into it. It's gonna be exe. You have to run it as an administrator. You want to run it as an administrator, and then in here you could check what I have checked. So if your GPU is, if it says line based MSI, then you're gonna want to check it. And I heard of people putting it like on high right here. You can do that as well, or use it, put it as undefined. It doesn't really matter. And then you want to check like these things that says MSI next to it. You would want to check. Besides some of them, like high definition audio controller, both of them leave them unchecked. Just check the MSI stuff that has MSI next to it. You're gonna want to check and then hit apply. Then you want to search up background apps, and you want to make sure this is off, and anything in here just have it disabled or off. So literally have all this stuff off, You don't need none of it. What else? Phone calls, you could turn that off. Call history, turn that off. Contacts, if you're not using none of this, turn it off. Notifications, turn it off. If you're not using a camera, turn it off. Messaging, if you're not messaging people from your phone or from your PC to your phone or something, turn it off. Radios, turn it off. Pretty much all this stuff, you don't need it. Just turn it all off, disable it. Alright, and now this is called FilterKeys. I use this for any game I play. It helps with delay. You know how fast and how responsive your keyboard is. But you want to go ahead and extract it. And you want to open it up. Open this. There's a settings PNG in here already, so you can look at that if you want to. You don't got to though. You want to open it up. This is settings that I be rocking. Now I done heard people lower this to like 130 or 140, but I like to keep it on 150. At your, you could risk going lower than 130, but it's just I recommend this. And this is 25. Save the registry. Available on. Have them on. And then all you gotta do is press apply. Okay, let it run it. Now Nvidia profile inspector, we're gonna be doing that. I have a profile that I'm gonna be having y'all import. It's pretty much, I'm gonna have it in Discord. It's gonna be under Fortnite, probably under tweaks. But pretty much all you gotta do is, you know, extract it like normal. Go to this and load it up. It's gonna take a minute to load up. Full screen it, and then for me, I'm gonna have the thing right here. So it's gonna be right here. Pretty much what you would want to do is press this right here, import profile. It'll be right here, and you just do that. Okay, apply, X out of it, and there you go. This will be in my Discord in the description if you want it. This was really for like Fortnite, but I use it and I play like Valorant, I play 5M, I play Fortnite, I play all of it, and it feels perfectly fine on every game. Alright, set timer resolution. You could use this in any game. It's gonna help out a ton. You could literally look this up on Google, or it's in my Discord, either one. But pretty much you literally like download it, you open it up. If you got a bug when you press maximum, it goes to 0.497 or 0.503 or something like that. There's commands in my Discord. It's in the set timer resolution file, the raw file. It's in there. You put them commands in your CMD, and pretty much it'll fix it. You restart your computer, it'll be like this normal, but pretty much you want to press maximum. It's gonna say 0.5. If it doesn't say that, then it's probably not gonna work. Or it will say 0.499. I think 0.499 will work, but I would rather say 0.500. But pretty much you want to do that, and then you could either minimize it or keep it open while you load up your game. I usually just minimize it. I pin it to my taskbar right here, so it's down there, and then just keep it right there and load up, play your game, and see how it feels. Yo, what's the word with y'all, man? Make sure y'all like, sub, and comment, man, if this helped you out. This video helped you out, man.